We are at Zimmer Group factory inauguration at Kinkwi, Pune. I'm with Mr. Achim Gauss, Managing Director Zimmer. Straight away flew from Germany to inaugurate this particular beautiful facility for increased production and services from India. Sir, how does this India operation would be aligning with your German, business?
Okay. When I started 2012, it's a company, there was, let me say, a strategy meeting. And we are thinking, what is our goal for the next decade of the next years? And we say we are very strong in Germany and we go also worldwide with integrators, but we are not local, owned local by locals. So we say, okay, we want to have a growth strategy. And by this growth strategy, what is more nearby than to go to the countries where is the growth as strong as it is? And India is, I would say today, when we look, it is the most popular country with the biggest resources. And also it is a growing market. So for sure, it was clear India is one of it. But also we have invested, we have the same facility at the moment. It's also getting ready in China. And countries like Mexico and every country in Europe is one of our 17 sales branches where we are going. So India is a little bit more than the others because we have here not only a sales, we also have a facility to make standard and system solution projects, not only for India, also for the Asian market.
So we are speaking here about Asia minus China.
Minus China, yes. China is only for China, local China. Okay. And India is for India and for Asia.
Okay, okay.
To understood the local needs, the culture, the language, directly speaking with the customer of their needs, reaction time, speed, that is what we need and we have here.
So what is that you are going to be manufacturing here in this facility where we are standing for the inauguration?
Okay. As you know, Zimmer is now 43 years old and we are long in the business. We're making standard automation components. And when the car industry getting fast growing the last 20 years, we also start to make system solution. But system solution to make in Germany for the whole world is not possible. The reaction time and the speed and the things to do is different. So we think in the growing market like India, we have to do this system solutions in India. Okay. For sure, using also standard components from Europe, but principle, the solution should be done here in India. And on the other hand, if you see there are so many solutions which can be sold over the world, so can be also a standard solution for global market, not only here for India.
Okay, and I also wanted to understand, would this India factory would culminate India for Zimmers as a R&D center?
That's a good question. When we thought about how we can use India, the first was we use the human resources. And human resources means that we train the sales in Germany, but also we already trained people from India in Germany to adapt the R&D center more closely. So they have the same tools, they have the same understandings, they do the things on the same backbone. So yes, they are well adapted, not only in engineering, also in production, also in marketing, also in the IT. We use the people for global business.
Excellent. So what is kind of an investment or, machine lines which you are probably going to, on human resources, which you have been
we say in the German language, never speak about money you invest. We invest a lot. And I say it's not only a question of the facility what we invest. Like I try to explain, we invest before we start with the facility in the human resources, that this facility can work. And for sure, we will have here also some machines, but in the starting point, we use outside production and we make here the assembling. But for sure, there will be some mistakes, some repairing, some things.
Okay. Let me put it this question in a different way. What is the kind of a time which Zimmer will take for break even?
Normally, our goal is very short. It belongs to the market. At the moment, the economy in the world is still nobody understands why the stock is so big growing. If everywhere is a war and everything is unsure. But I think India is more or less independent. So I would say it's will be very good when we have a return of investments in the next 5 years. And I think personally that with our people, with the commitment and the strength and with our possibility, it will be possible.
Okay. And as I interacted with customers, they have a view that once you're a Zimmer, you're always a Zimmer.
That is our goal.
With that, I congratulate you on this particular inauguration.
Thank you.
I look forward for further expansion here in India and profitability break even in the next 6 months. Thank you.
In the next 6 months, that's great. Thank you.